Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to make a real quick emergency video because Doggy is going absolutely freaking bonkers in the last, October, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Doggy's gotten up a full over 100%, and I'm pretty sure this is because it's my daughter. Pretty sure this is because Elon Musk has officially bought Twitter. It's officially his. There's probably assumptions that Elon Musk will assign Doggy as maybe some sort of payment in the Twitter ecosystem. So as far as right now, that's probably the reason why it's pumping. I really don't think there's any other reason for Doggy to pump specifically. I do think as of right now, you have a strong chance of maybe coming back to like 10 cents and then running again, or probably coming back down here and then running again. Or you could literally just ignore all of that and have a shit ton of volume come in and just moon to the upside. So as of right now, a lot of things that can happen. I still think that Doggy, it's still early in the morning. I think that a lot of people haven't even seen Doggy yet. And I think this will probably keep pumping towards the weekend, as well as Bitcoin and as well as Ethereum. And again, this kind of, you broke major trend on Bitcoin. You have this, you have relative highs being broken. So as of right now, I can probably forecast an easy, you're probably looking at Bitcoin 22.5, in the next maybe week or two or so. That's kind of forecast. Ethereum is probably going up hard too. I have this position on Forex right now. I took a ridiculously long position on Doggy, so I'm just kind of waiting for that to play out, only holding it for today. But as of right now, this kind of goes into play of what I said with Bitcoin in my last video. If you haven't seen it, I basically said that I think that as of right now, we have essentially kind of, in a way bottomed, right? And we are at the bottom of the market. This is what I am looking for in the next 976 days. In the next 976 days, I am looking to peak at around July 2025 at $130,000 Bitcoin. And I think after the 31st of October is when the official rally starts. So I am actually loading up on crypto, loading up on a bunch of Bitcoin miners and stuff. And I think this pump right now, maybe Elon Musk buying Twitter is maybe like the news that we needed to start the actual pump and the rally on crypto. But Doggy's doing some ridiculous things. Bitcoin's doing ridiculous things. And I think as of right now, not as of right now, I think as of Monday close, I will be 100% bullish on crypto. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.